Okay, welcome to a bit of a introduction in regards to just setting the nozzle height for the 3D printer. We've had some problems in the past with the nozzle height not being set properly, and this affects the platform that the 3D printer has to print on. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to open up a simple file that I've used in the past. That was not going to work, so I'll go to Open. I'll try and find one that I've got on my X drive here. I should have one somewhere. Okay, so I'll just open this 50 cal bullet. Okay, so the first thing you'll notice is that it's not in the workable space. So what I want to do is go up here and click place, and it places it in the center of that workspace. What you'll also notice is this bullet is larger than the workspace available to us in the 3D printer. So I have to scale it. So if I click on scale and then click on a slightly smaller scale than 1, so I'll click on 0.8 and I'll click scale again, you can see that it's actually reduced the size of that bullet. If I click on place again, it'll place it back ready for printing. That's good to go. That's ready to print. Before I do that, 3D print, I need to initialize it. You can hear it's just preparing itself to print. Once it's gone through that process, I need to click on maintenance. And what you'll see here is it comes up, it tells me a lot of information. It tells me how hot the platform is, it tells me how hot the nozzle is. In this case here, it also tells me where my nozzle height is set. At the moment it's set to 109. That's no good for us. So if I click on set nozzle height, you'll see here it says set nozzle height at 109. I don't want that. I want to increase that, and I want to make it 123.9. I'll say set nozzle height. I'll say set nozzle height to 123.9, and I'll say yes. I'll get rid of that. What that means is the distance from this platform to the actual nozzle height is set correctly. If it's too far away, the platform that it prints for the bullet to sit on is too thick, and it basically adds to the bullet and it makes it very hard to separate. So if I go to 3D print preview, I can set my preferences now. So I want it to be a fine fill. Don't worry about all this information down here. Click OK. Quality, fast, normal or fine. I'll just click fast on this case here. Always good to have the platform heated after the operation. It makes it easy to separate from the platform then. Click OK. Down the bottom here you'll see that it's calculating how many layers it has to run. It's going to be 560 layers, and here it gives the information. So it will take 10.9 grams of material, filament, and it'll take 52 minutes to print out, and that'll be ready at 8:47 tonight, which I'm not going to do. So I click OK. What you'll see then is you'll see here, you'll see this yellow outline. That is the platform that it's going to put down first, which is like a spider's web for that bullet to sit on, which gives it some stability. If the nozzle height's not set correctly, that will be too thick and make it very hard to separate. Once you're happy with that, simple case of going into 3D print, and you can start to print.